Welcome back to Biointron's Antibody ABCs. What is antibody manufacturing process optimization? Antibody manufacturing process optimization is the refinement of the procedures and conditions used to produce antibodies, typically for therapeutic, diagnostic, or research purposes. The goal of optimization is to maximize yield, purity, and quality of the antibodies while minimizing costs and production time. The growing demand for monoclonal antibodies drove efforts to expand production capacity, involving the establishment of large bulk manufacturing plants and enhancements in cell culture processes aimed at increasing product yields. Central to this evolution is the application of quality by design principles. For monoclonal antibodies, parameters such as pH, dissolved oxygen levels, cell density, and bioreactor conditions play crucial roles in maximizing production efficiency while maintaining high-quality standards. One of the primary areas of focus in optimizing antibody production is the upstream process, which includes the growth and maintenance of cell cultures used to produce the antibodies. This process relies heavily on parameters such as the formulation of cell culture media, feed strategies, and bioreactor operations. On the right is a schematic of manufacturing process of monoclonal antibodies from cell culture. Biointron focuses on antibody discovery, expression, and optimization. From gene sequence to purified antibodies, it takes just 2 weeks. Our high-throughput platform enables rapid expression of recombinant antibodies in HEC293 or CHO cells. With our self-owned alpaca farm, we also offer a 1 alpaca for 1 project commitment, with unique binders, high diversity, and large capacity. We will meet your small-scale needs for antibodies, supernatants, and expression plasmids in 4 to 10 days. Our high-throughput fully human antibody discovery platform will also provide you with fully human antibodies in only 3 months. Thank you for watching, and please comment with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next.